Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. Today we're going to be talking about this wig. This wig is from Hershow Hair, and this is a 24-inch kinky curly lace front wig in 150 density. Now this is a 24-inch stretched length. Get that length, you gotta stretch it out. And kinky curly hair, it is very coiled hair, so it's going to appear shorter. She's giving gorgeous body. I'm loving this wig. It's like what you wish your natural hair could look like. You know, that's the vibe that I'm getting. This wig can get so big, you guys. Today, I went for a super easy install, like a minimal install where, you know, the flaps are not really secured, as you see, because I just wanted it to be like a quick install. I just don't really like my side glued down unless I'm gonna be wearing that wig like for a few days. The lace is beautiful, nice clean part. I did bleach the knots on this wig. It lifted very nicely. The hair feels really good, like really soft. This hair is like, you know, kinky curly, so you can wear it like it was, you know, your natural kinky hair. Look at this side compared to this side. Either way, they both look cute. This hair is really good quality, guys. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box for you guys if you want to check out Hershow Hair. I gotta go, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.